seen my face before, my name is Safiyah, and today we're doing a Monday reset. I was gonna film this yesterday, do a little Sunday reset, but I didn't. Today is Monday, January 1st. So happy new year. I want to start the new year on a clean slate, aka with a clean space. I need to clean my room, clean my bathroom. So let's just get straight into it. This is the current state of my bathroom. It's not bad, but just needs some tidying, and we're gonna clean everything. And then this is the current state of my room. Again, not really bad. I just have to make my bed, tidy up my dresser, vacuum. I'm debating on if I should take down the Christmas decor today because I do plan on decorating my room. So I'm like, should I take down the Christmas decor now? Or I could just wait until that video, so keep it up for another 2 weeks. But I'm like, do I want the Christmas decor up for another 2 weeks? I don't know.
It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama basement to a condo downtown, cause it's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication of life. You should have been here to kick it with me. We could have split this whole thing up 50-50. But now I'm at the 40-40 getting bitches tipsy. Killing shit, the ever so talented Mr. Ripley. How I go from being the man that you argue with to me and Dwayne Carter putting out the hardest shit.
No?
Yeah, just ask me how things are coming along. You can tell me that you never heard none of my songs. Long as you end up saying one day you plan to listen. Cause what's a star when it's most important man is missing? All I know, you and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
I feel like I'm cleaning my room so random right now. Usually I would like just do the bathroom and then just do my room. I don't know why I'm like doing both at the same time. But I think I'm going to now go back to the bathroom and finish that off. I was gonna put a load in the machine, but someone else has a load in the machine already. But yeah, I think I'm gonna finish off the bathroom and then we'll move on to just the room so we can focus on one thing at a time.
Looking around, it's hard to believe where I'm at. Everywhere I look, somebody staring back. Paranoid, even out in paradise. Terrified to see my parents pass. Red carpet and some dress shoes and a pair of slacks. I think I might be getting sick of wearing that. I need some peace and the birds might be where it's at. You know, like where them Karens like to run their errands at. I'm on a journey, man, Jared Jack. Got my twin with me like a parent trap, there and back. Serenade him with the clarinet. I got the T and I ain't sharing that. Who the fairest of them all? Shorty's been declaring Jack. Fellas hating, I don't blame them. I mean, how unfair is that? The top is where they like to see you get embarrassed at, especially when you charismatic and the cop is wearing masks. All these airplanes and these check bags. All these rumors and these unchecked facts. Old friends, I forget to text back. Maybe this will show you where my head's at. My bad.
Every sky can't be blue. It's hard to see it when you're walking in the gray. So many flights looking out of time too. So many things that I never got to. Good days, bad days, red lights, fast lanes. Would you never change? Would you be the same? Just tell me one thing that's true. And I ain't up. You hold me down. Hold me down. Hold me down. Say you hold me down.
Okay, so the bathroom is pretty much finished. I'm gonna vacuum it whenever I vacuum my room, and then I just have to wash my mats whenever the machine is free. Now I need to move on to my room, but there's really not much to do to my room. I just need to make my bed. I want to wipe off this dresser and then just vacuum. I just washed my sheets pretty much, so I'm not gonna wash them again. But also, I didn't think about when you like buy seasonal decor, and then like when that season's over, where do you put it? Because I didn't think about that, and now I don't know where to put all the Christmas decorations. I think I'm definitely gonna take the tree down today. And then I don't know, I have this box which my Christmas gift was actually in, so I don't know, I'm gonna attempt to fit it in here. And then maybe I'll take down the garland over the top of my bed, even though I love that little touch. I feel like it's so cute, but again, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I cannot wait to decorate my room for like how it's actually gonna be decorated. I still need to order all the decor and stuff, but I'm gonna have to wait till I get paid for that. Girl, you really thought.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, I call them cashes. Run you like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you do, we ain't the past tense. I ain't no junkie style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me.
Okay guys, so it is later in the day. It is now 4:52 p.m. My room is clean. I'm feeling good. The last thing I didn't get to do was like washing my bath mats because the machine has been in use all day. But whatever, we could do that later or tomorrow. But something I did want to do to start off the year was to make a vision board. So I currently have this vision board as the background of my phone. This one I made like halfway through last year, not even halfway, probably like in the fall. So I think I'm going to use the same one because the vibes are still the same. The vibes are definitely still the same, but I think I'm just gonna tweak it a little bit. I'm gonna change some of the pictures and we'll see what we come up with. I think I want to make it like a bit more colorful, make it stand out a little bit more. So this is what it looks like now. But this is what the vision board is looking like now. It's like colorful but darker at the same time, like a little more of a dark theme, but I love it. I'm about to save it, make it my lock screen. I love it. I think it's so cute, and the theme was kind of purple because if you didn't know, my favorite color is purple. Similar to what a lot of people do and say, I really want to be more disciplined this year and just be on myself for the things that I want to do. This light is so bright, I feel like it's making me look so pale. If you guys are on the same wave, if you guys also have goals that you're trying to accomplish this year, definitely subscribe to my channel. Let's keep each other locked in, hold each other accountable. Subscribe for so much more content coming in the new year. Let me know anything you guys would like to see from me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, comment a little white heart. Make sure you guys subscribe once again. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys next week Friday with another new video. Bye.